Hello, beautiful people. It is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana. And I am here to present the line dance and what we have. The song is Route of Escape. The artist is Jerome. The choreographers are Cessily, Greene from the DMV and Arika, Dickens from Them Pearls. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Here we go. And what we have. Okay, my name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.